TechInsights has in its labs the new Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, designed with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The new Xiaomi 17 product line was announced almost simultaneously as when Qualcomm announced its new 3nm Snapdragon at Qualcomm's annual Snapdragon Summit in Hawaii. TechInsights will have a deep dive report for the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, while the TechInsights logic and packaging teams dive deeper into the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max and the Xiaomi 17 Pro both have rear displays, and each phone's rear triple cameras include Xiaomi's custom Light Hunter L camera system. The differences are that the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max rear display is brighter than the Xiaomi 17 Pro display, and the 17 Pro Max telephoto camera has a larger focal length than the 17 Pro. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max rear cameras also use a dual-layer anti-reflective coating on its camera lenses compared to what is used in the Xiaomi 17 Pro cameras. Now, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max does not have a previous generation which we can compare it to. And although the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is not the first Xiaomi to offer a rear display, it is the first Xiaomi smartphone to have a rear fully interactive display.